In this lecture, we see the examples on the Rolle's theorem. Here, exercise 2.3 in the textbook of Maharashtra Board. Here, example. Verify Rolle's theorem. For the following function. Okay. Here f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 9 for x belongs to 1 comma 4. Okay. Here given that f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 9 for x belongs to 1 comma 4. Here f of x is a polynomial function, therefore it is a continuous. Therefore f of x is continuous on the closed interval 1 comma 4 and differentiable on open interval 1 comma 4. Therefore f of x is continuous on 1 comma 4 and f of x is differentiable on 1 comma 4. Now we find the f of a and f of b. Then f of a, that is f of 1, and f of 1 is 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 9, and that is equal to here 1 minus 5, it is minus 4, and plus 5 plus 9, it is 5. F of b, it is f of 4, then it is 4 square minus 5 into 4 and plus 9 is equal to here 16, it is 20, 16 minus 20, it is minus 4 plus 9, it is again 5. Therefore here f of 1 is equal to f of 4. Therefore the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. Okay, are the conditions of the Rolle's theorem are verified. Now we verify the Rolle's theorem. That means if three conditions are satisfied, f of x is continuous, differentiable, and f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists at least one point c belongs to open interval a comma b. Therefore that is a comma b, it is 1 comma 4. Therefore there exists at least one point c belongs to open interval 1 comma 4 such that f dash of c equal to 0. Therefore let there exist at least one point c belongs to 1 comma 4 such that f dash of c equal to 0. Here f dash of c equal to 0, here given f of x, then we find f dash of x and then put at x is equal to c, therefore replace x by c. Then here given, therefore f of x, given that f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 9, therefore we can write f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 5, it is the value of f dash of x, and then f dash of c is equal to 2c minus 5. Okay, put the x is equal to c, therefore f dash of c is equal to 2c minus 5, but f dash of c equal to 0, therefore 0 is equal to 2c minus 5, then 5 is equal to 2c, and therefore c is equal to 5 by 2, and which is belongs to 1 comma 4. 5 by 2 belongs to 1 comma 4, therefore Rolle's theorem verified. Rolle's theorem verified. It is there exists at least one c, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 belongs to 1 comma 4. It is a Rolle's theorem. First we verify the three conditions of the Rolle's theorem, and then there exists at least one point c belongs to 1 comma 4 such that f dash of c equal to 0, and using this condition we find the value of c, and c is equal to 5 by 2, which is belongs to 1 comma 4, therefore Rolle's theorem verified. Okay, now next example. F of x is equal to sin x by 2 for x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Here given f of x is equal to sin x by 2 for x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Again it is sine function, and sine function continuous everywhere. Okay, here for the real numbers, therefore continuous on the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Therefore f of x is continuous on 0 comma 2 pi, and f of x is differentiable on 0 comma 2 pi. Now we find f of a and f of b. Now f of 0 is equal to sine of 0 upon 2, that means sine 0, and sine 0 it is 0, and f of 2 pi it is sine of 2 pi upon 2, that is sin pi, and sin pi is also 0. Therefore f of 0 is equal to f of 2 pi. That is Rolle's theorem valid. Okay, now there exists at least one point c in the interval 0 comma 2 pi such that f dash of c equal to 0. Let there exist at least one point c belongs to 0 comma 2 pi such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Now we find first f dash of x and then f dash of c. Then here given f of x is equal to sin x by 2. Therefore f dash of x is equal to cos x by 2 into 1 by 2. It is the f dash of x. Therefore f dash of c is equal to cos c by 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore we can write f dash of c is equal to, here 1 by 2 constant, and it is cos c by 2, and it is given f dash of c is equal to 0. Therefore you can write 0 is equal to 1 by 2 cos c by 2, and then cos c by 2 is equal to 0. It is cos c by 2 is equal to 0 here. Then cos c by 2 is equal to 0 here. we want to find at least one value in the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Here cos c by 2 is equal to 0. We know that the general solution of the trigonometric equation cos theta is equal to 0. So here general solution cos theta is equal to 0. This gives theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, here theta is equal to, when cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Therefore here c by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Therefore c is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by, it is into pi. Okay, it is 2 get cancelled. Now when c is equal to 0, then when n equal to 0, c is equal to pi. When n is equal to 1, c is equal to 3 pi. Okay, but here we want to at least one value belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Here it is a pi. Therefore c is equal to pi. There are infinite value of the c. There are infinite value of the point c, but we want to at least one value belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore c is equal to 2 pi. Here c by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It is a general solution. There are infinite value of the c, but we want to only one, that is at least one value. Okay, it is a c is equal to pi, and which is belongs to 0 comma 2 pi, and therefore Rolle's theorem verified. Okay, here the value of c are infinite values. Okay, by general solution, but we want to find that at least one value belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now next example. Here f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x plus 7. Again x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, same example. Here given f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x plus 7 for x belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. Here again it is continuous. F of x is continuous on 0 to 2 pi, and f of x is a differentiable on 0 comma 2 pi. Now here f of 0 is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0 and plus 7. Sin 0 0, cos 0 1, and it is 8. Now f of 2 pi sin 2 pi plus cos 2 pi and plus 7, again it is 8. Therefore f of 0 is equal to f of 2 pi. Therefore conditions of the Rolle's theorem are verified, that is Rolle's theorem valid. Then let there exist at least one point C belongs to 0 comma 2 pi such that f dash of C equal to 0. Then f of x is sin x plus cos x plus 7. Now f dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x. It is 0. Now it is f dash of x. Therefore f dash of c is equal to cos c minus sin c, and f dash of c is 0. Therefore we can write 0 is equal to cos c minus sin c. 0 is equal to cos c minus sin c. Therefore sin c is equal to cos c. Again here the value of c are the infinite value of c. Here cos 45 and sin 45 are equal. Therefore c is equal to 45. Again here cos 225, that is pi plus 45. It is pi plus 45. Here again sin and cos are same. Then again 2 pi plus 45, 3 pi plus 45, 4 pi plus 45. Therefore c is equal to, it is pi by 4, pi plus pi by 4, 2 pi plus pi by 4, up to infinite values. But we want to find at least one value in the interval 0, 2 pi, and there are two values, pi by 4 and pi plus pi by 4 are in the 0, 2 pi. Here c is equal to pi by 4 belongs to 0, 2 pi, and c is equal to 5 pi by 4, which is also belongs to 0, 2 pi. We want to at least one point. There are 2 points, and therefore Rolle's theorem verified. Okay, here रोल्स थेरम काय, रोल्स थेरमच्या कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाल्या पाहिजे. कंटिन्युअस डिफरन्शिएबल आणि त्याच्यानंतर एफ ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ बी. नंतर एफ डॅश ऑफ सी इज इक्वल टू 0. हेअर सी बिलॉंग्स टू ओपन इंटरवल ए कॉमा बी. देन सी इज ॲटलिस्ट वन पॉइंट. Then there is at least one point C belongs to A, B such that f dash of C equal to 0. कमीत कमी एकच पॉईंट मिळाला पाहिजे. इथं दोन मिळाले, आपण एकच लिहिला तरी चालतंय. तुम्ही फक्त हे एवढंच लिहिलं तरी चालतंय, हे नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. इट इज रोल्स थेरम व्हेरीफाईड. हे बाकी काहीच नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. फक्त C इज इक्वल टू पाय बाय 4 अँड देन पाय बाय 4 बिलॉंग्स टू 0, 2 पाय एवढंच लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. हे पुढचं काहीही नाही लिहिलं तरी चालतंय. कारण काय, देअर एक्झिस्ट ॲटलिस्ट वन पॉईंट. फक्त एकच पॉईंट दाखवायचा आहे. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट. Next example here. The function f of x is equal to x into x plus 3 into e to the power minus x by 2 satisfies all conditions of Rolle's theorem. On -3, 0, then find the value of C such that f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay, here in the last example the question is verify the Rolle's theorem. Here Rolle's theorem already verified, and then find the value of C. Okay, here given f of x is equal to x into x plus 3 into e to the power minus x by 2. Okay, for x belongs to minus 3 comma 0. Here Rolle's theorem verified. Rolle's theorem holds. Okay, therefore f dash of c equal to 0. F dash of c is equal to 0. Now f of x, here it is f of x. Okay, here it is x square plus 3x into e to the power minus x by 2. Here डायरेक्ट डेरिवेटिव काढला तर u into v into w. Here product rule डेरिवेटिवचा यूज करायला लागला असता u into v into w, but here now only u into v. Take the multiplication of these two. Therefore f dash of x, f dash of x is equal to, here first function as it is, x square plus 3x into e to the power minus x by 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus e to the power minus x by 2 into 2x plus 3. Now take the e to the power x by 2, e to the power minus x by 2 common here. Then remaining here minus 1 by 2 into this minus x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 2x and plus 3. Now it is e to the power minus x by 2 into minus x square by 2. Here minus 3 by 2x and it is 2x. It is 4, that means plus x by 2 and it is plus 3 as it is. Now it is f dash of x. Therefore f dash of c is equal to e to the power minus c by 2 into minus c square upon 2 plus c by 2 and plus 3. Then f dash of c is equal to 0. Therefore it is 0 is equal to e to the power minus c by 2 minus c square by 2 plus c by 2 and plus 3. Now e to the power c by 2, take here it is 0 and therefore this quadratic expression, therefore it is 0 is equal to minus c square by 2 plus c by 2 and plus 3. Then multiply by 2 minus c square plus c and it is plus 6. Therefore this can be written as c square minus c minus 6 is equal to 0. And then take the factors, c minus 3 into c plus 2. Okay, factors, multiplication minus 6 and addition minus 1. Therefore c minus 3 is equal to 0 and c plus 2 is equal to 0. C is equal to 3 or c is equal to minus 2. Here c is equal to 3 does not belongs to the minus 3 comma 0, but c is equal to minus 2 belongs to the minus 3 comma 0. Here c is equal to 3 does not belongs to minus 3 comma 0. Okay, therefore c is equal to minus 2 belongs to minus 3 comma 0 and it is the value of c. Then find the value of c. C is equal to minus 2. Rolle's theorem holds. Now next example. If Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5. X belongs to 1,3 with c is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. C is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. Then find the values of P and Q. Here given that f of x is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5, where x belongs to 1,3. Now here we want to find the two values p and q. Therefore the two conditions are given. Which are two conditions? Here Rolle's theorem holds. Therefore f of a is equal to f of b and f dash of c is equal to 0, and c is given. Okay, here Rolle's theorem holds given Rolle's theorem holds with c is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. Therefore we can write f of 1 is equal to f of 3. Rolle's theorem holds. Therefore f of a is equal to f of b. It is f of x. Therefore we can write 1 cube plus p into 1 square plus q into 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 cube plus p into 3 square plus q into 3 and plus 5. Okay, then calculate. It is 1 plus p plus q and plus 5 is equal to, it is 27 plus 9p plus 3q and plus 5. Okay, then it is 6 plus p plus q is equal to 27 and 5, it is 32 plus 9p plus 3q. Okay, therefore p and q या साइड ला गया, 32 इकडे गया. Therefore 8p plus 2q, here p and q, p minus p, 9p minus it is q, it is equal to 32 इकडे येणार, that is 26 minus 26, and therefore you can write it is 4p plus q is equal to minus 13. It is one relation. It is equation number 1. 4p plus q is equal to minus 13. Then and next condition, it is f dash of c equal to 0. Therefore f of x, and then f dash of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x square plus 2 into px plus q. It is 3x square 2px and it is q, it is the derivative. Therefore f dash of c is equal to 3 into c square plus 2p into c and plus q. Now it is c is given 2 plus 1 by root 3 and f dash of c equal to 0. Okay, here f dash of c equal to 0 and c is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. Okay, therefore this can be written as 0 is equal to f dash of c equal to 0 and then c into 2 plus 1 by root 3 square plus 2p into 2 plus 1 by root 3 and plus q. Now calculate this. Here 0 is equal to 3 into 2 plus p 1 by root 3 whole square. It is 4 plus, it is a plus b whole square. Then multiplication in twice. It is 4 by under root 3 plus 1 by 3 plus here 2p, p ने multiply करा, then 4p plus 2 by under root 3 into p and plus q. Okay, here 3 into this 2 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, हे whole square गेले, it is 4 plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2p न bracket ला multiply केला and that is q. Then again calculation, therefore 0 is equal to 3 न multiply केल्यानंतर here 12 plus 12 by under root 3 and plus 1. Okay, here it is 12, it is 1 and it is 12 by under root 3 plus 4p plus 2 upon under root 3p plus q. Now this is again one relation. Okay, therefore, okay, it is p 4 plus 2 upon under root 3 into p plus q, and here ही पूर्ण टर्म या साइड ला, इट इज -13 आणि -12 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित पहा. ह्या 3 टर्म, ओके, ह्या 3 टर्म ह्या इथे लिहिलेल्या आहेत आणि त्याच्यानंतर ह्या 12 प्लस 1 13 आणि इट इज ह्या 2 टर्म इकडे लिहिल्या आहेत. नाव इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाव इक्वेशन 1 अँड इक्वेशन 2 या दोन्हीचे फक्त करा सबट्रॅक्शन. इक्वेशन 1 मायनस इक्वेशन 2 दिस गिव्स. कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित पहा. इट इज 1. ओके, क्यू आणि ही क्यू कॅन्सल राहते काय 4p मायनस 4 प्लस 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3p. इट इज 4 प्लस 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 3p. इट इज 4p. क्यू कॅन्सल, देन इट इज -13 and -13 minus 12 upon under root 3. It is, okay, equation 1 minus 2. Then it is 4p minus 4p minus 2 upon under root 3p multiplication is equal to -13 plus 13 cancel and it is 12 upon under root 3. 13 get cancel, it is 12 upon under root 3. 4p get cancel. Therefore, minus 2 upon under root 3 p is equal to 12 upon under root 3. And therefore root 3 get cancelled. To here p is equal to -6. P is equal to -6. Therefore by equation number 1, it is equation number 1. 4 into -6 plus q is equal to -13. It is -24. 24 इकडे येतील. Okay, therefore q is equal to 11 -13 and here plus 24 and therefore p is equal to -6 and q is equal to 11. It is the value of p and q. Okay, calculation carefully पहा फक्त. It is okay. Now next, Rolle's theorem holds for the function f of x is equal to x minus 2 into log x. For x belongs to 1, 2, then show that the equation x into log x is equal to 2 minus x satisfied बाय ॲटलिस्ट वन व्हॅल्यू of x in 1, 2. Okay. Now given f of x is equal to x minus 2 into log x for x belongs to 1, 2. Okay. Then Rolle's theorem holds Rolle's theorem holds, that is, for it is c belongs to 1, 2, f dash of c equal to 0. For c belongs to 1, 2, f dash of c equal to 0. Therefore, we find the f dash of x. Here it is f of x first as it is into derivative of second plus second as it is into derivative of first. Then it is f dash of x is equal to, it is 1 minus 2 by x plus log x. Then f dash of c, it is 1 minus 2 by c plus log c. And then f dash of c equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus 2 by c plus log c. Okay. Here it is f dash of x, then f dash of c, only x replaced by c, and f dash of c equal to 0. Then here multiplying by c, therefore you can write 0 is equal to c minus 2 plus c into log c. Okay. Then this relation, okay, this relation can be written as in the form of this: c into log c is equal to 2 minus x. Here c log c as it is, here 2 आणि c या साईडला आणले, 2 पॉझिटिव्ह and c negative. Okay, it is c. Now this equation satisfy the value of x. This equation satisfy therefore x into log x is equal to 2 minus x. Here for x belongs to 1, 2. Here this relation put at x is equal to c लिहिलेले, in general x log x minus equal to 2 minus x for x belongs to 1, 2. Okay. आता here हे झाले एक्झाम्पल्स रोल्स थेरम. आता याच्यानंतर आहे लॅग्रेंजेस मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम. आता लॅग्रेंजेस मीन व्हॅल्यू थेरम स्टेटमेंट, त्याचं जॉमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स. ओके, हे आपण सगळं पाहू नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये.